Preparing a 72-hour emergency kit is your responsibility to help keep you and your family safe. Do you have everything you need in case of an emergency? Follow along and we will go over what you will need to prepare for the first 72 hours in an emergency. If an emergency does happen, it may take a while for help to arrive. You should be prepared to keep yourself and your family safe for at least 72 hours. You may need to get by without any electricity or even potable tap water. Before you start preparing your 72-hour kit, you should consider who is in your family. Do you have an elderly grandparent living with you, or someone who may require daily medication? Even a young child or a baby are very important to keep in mind when building your 72-hour kit. You should also consider items for your pets, as they are also considered your family. Thinking about the needs of every person in your household for those first 72 hours is a great place to begin. This way, you will be able to design the perfect 72-hour kit specific to your family. There are many things that are essential in a 72-hour kit. These items include bottled water for at least 4 liters a day per person, food, such as items that do not spoil or require a lot of preparation, such as canned beans or canned pasta, medications for people that take them daily, first aid kit that's easily accessible within your home or car, a battery or crank-powered flashlight or radio. Make sure that there are extra batteries as well. These can be found at any outdoor sporting goods store. You'll also need personal sanitation such as towelettes, garbage bags, and toilet paper, important documentation such as any identification that you'll need or any other important documents that you may need during this time of an emergency, cash and small bills and coins, as well as supplies for babies and pets such as formula or food for them. Where you plan to store your emergency kit is something that you should be thinking of. Everyone in your family should know where the kit is kept, such as a front hall closet or a storage area that you're all aware of. Making sure that the kit is kept in a waterproof container is another aspect that should be considered. This helps to make sure that there is no damage to the product inside the case in case of a flood. The kit should be portable, such as in a suitcase or a backpack, which will help if the need to evacuate arises. If there are any little kids in your family, you can provide them with their own little kits, with some of their own supplies such as toys or other foods they may enjoy. Keeping children engaged in the kit planning process also helps to make sure that the items in the kit are kept up to date and do not expire. If you're wondering when you should start preparing your own 72-hour kits, right now is the best time. We may not be able to predict the future, but we are able to prepare an easy way to keep our family safer in the case of an emergency. Preparing a 72-hour kit before an emergency happens can help save time or possibly even a life. There are many resources for you to access with regards to emergency preparedness. To learn more about 72-hour kits or emergency preparedness within your home or in the community, visit www.getprepared.gc.ca. This online training has been produced and presented by LRI Engineering, Inc. LRI is a Canadian professional engineering firm specializing in emergency planning, fire protection engineering, building and fire co-consulting, and accessibility consulting services. For more information about LRI and how we can help you, please visit our website, follow us on social media, or call us today. Thank you for joining us and learning about 72-hour emergency preparedness kits for Emergency Preparedness Week 2020.